Are you thinking about remodeling your kitchen? The kitchen traditionally is the most expensive room in your house to renovate. Selecting new kitchen cabinets can be a major expense on your kitchen makeover budget. Is your golden oak style kitchen looking dated? Are your kitchen cabinets structurally sound? Do you like the current layout of your kitchen? Or do you want to keep your newly installed countertops? If you said yes to one or all of these questions, your kitchen may be a good candidate for a kitchen cabinet refacing. Kitchen cabinet refacing is an excellent alternative to revitalize your kitchen cabinets without spending the money or time to do a custom kitchen remodel. Cabinet refacing is a hassle-free, 3-step process. Step 1. We'll replace cabinet doors and drawer fronts with new custom doors and drawer fronts. Step 2. We'll reface the exterior structure with matching materials. We'll also install new hinges and attractive moldings. Step 3. Accessorize and enjoy. When the project is completed, your kitchen cabinets function and look brand new. Our team at Mr. Cabinet Care will help you save money and time on your next kitchen project. Take away the stress of remodeling your kitchen. Click on the link or call us today to set up a free no-obligation in-home estimate and receive a free gift on us.